2019. There's a building there at PG&E used to have, I believe it's 75 years old, concrete building. These batteries were put in there. I've been in that side of that building. Have a lot of other elected officials around here. Vistra was very proud to show it off, showing off all the safety means into there and the water suppression systems and the batteries, I should say, they're stacked up high. It looks very impressive. And Vistra believed in it, apparently, because they went through and they would assure all of us that we're not going to have a problem. We're not going to have a problem. They'd had 2 minor fires prior to that, and it actually weren't so much fires, there were more smoke incidents that happened. And then there was the other one, and some of you, many of you, will remember 2022 when Highway 1 was closed and there was a shelter in place. That wasn't Vistra. That was a joint project between PG&E and Tesla. It's a smaller operation. And while Vistra has this water suppression system, and I'm going to go and explain a little of detail on how that operates from what I understand. Tesla's operation over there, the batteries are out. They have no fire suppression system. That's why it burned for several days. That's why the highway had to be closed. That's why they looked at it and said, well, everything worked good. It stayed on that one battery. We let it burn down. So what this water suppression system that is in effect, this is how I understand it, is you have these batteries and containers that are about the size of a car. They're, I believe, 5,000-6,000 pounds, something along that line. Inside these systems, there's these little modules. Inside these batteries, there's these little modules. And if something comes up that starts to show it's overheating, the water comes on to cool it down. So I was out there on Thursday when it was, and you can see the smoke coming out, and I saw it starting to dissipate. Actually, I was out there with Felix Cortez from KSBW, and we were seeing it going down, and I figured, okay, that's their system. They're cooling it down. There's no problem. I go home, and then we got fired. And what happened at that point? Somewhere that system broke down, and water doesn't work once you get that thing on fire. And a lot of people have said, hey, let's put sand on it, let's put foam on it, let's do things like that. It doesn't work. We've got a technology here which there is no way to control a fire. In San Diego, there's a plant down there last May